Hey guys, I'm Apurva. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Law Buddies. So today's topic is concept of citizenship, in which we are going to look over what is citizenship, components of citizenship, nature of citizenship, and also theories of citizenships. Coming to a definition of citizenship, as you can see, it is given as citizenship denotes the status of an individual as a full and responsible member of political community. The citizen is a person who owes allegiance to the state and in turns receives protection from the state. Hence, we can say that citizenship implies two-way relationship between individual and the state. Coming over the nature of citizenship, as we know that citizenship implies two-way relationship between individual and state. So, between individual and state, there is duties and obligation, allegiance, protection, civil, political, and social rights. T.H. Marshall, in his Citizenship and Social class, has given analysis of concept of citizenships. Over components of citizenship, first is civil right. Civil rights were evolved in 18th century and which include equality before law, liberty of person, freedom of speech, thought, faith, right to property, and etc. Then coming to our political rights, so political rights were evolved in the 19th century. This includes right to part in election, right to serve in bodies interested with political authority, whether legislature or cabinets. And then last is social rights. So it was evolved in 20th century. These include right to certain standard of eco and social welfare, right to a full share in the social heritage. Looking over the theories of citizenship, so we are going to study the four theories: liberal theory, libertarian theory, communitarian theory, and Marxist theory. Coming toward the liberal theory, so according to this theory, civil rights constitute the foundation of citizenship. And since this theory believes in evolution of rights which are associated with citizenship, it is also called as evolutionary theory of citizenship. T.H. Marshall is regarded as chief exponent of this theory. Under citizenship, the individual come together to decide the terms of their association. Since citizenship assures a share to all individuals in common heritage of community, it creates a bond of allegiance to that community. Coming over libertarian theory, so this theory regards citizenship as product of free choices and contact among individuals. It considers market society as a suitable model of civic life. Nozick is the chief exponent of this theory. He observed that individuals resort to private activity, market exchange, and voluntarily association in order to realize their values, belief. And Nozick likens the state to a large enterprise and citizen as its customs or clients. It enjoys. Now heading over communitarian theory. So the communitarian theory, also called as Republican theory of citizenship, insists on strong bond of affinity between individual and state. This conception of citizenship conceives the citizen as someone who plays an active role in shaping the future direction of his or her society through political debate and decision making. The exponent of this theory include Hannah Arendt, Michael Walzer, and Benjamin Barber. The main tenet of this theory is that a citizen should identify himself with the community of which he is a member and take active part in its political life. In other words, an individual can become a citizen of community in true sense of term by assimilating himself with culture, tradition, belief, and sentiments of the community. Now, coming to the Marxist theory, so this theory treats the right associated with citizenship as the product of class conflict. Anthony Giddens is the chief exponent of this theory. In his two important works, A Contemporary Critique of Historical Materialism and Profiles and Critique of Social Theory, Giddens have contradicted Marshall's view in order to bring forth his own viewpoint. I hope the concept of citizenship is clear to you all. Thank you guys. Hope you all like it. Please feel free to comment your question in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. #LawBuddies.